Okay. Hello everyone. Good evening. Okay. Hello everyone. Yes, I was just checking if I'm audible or not. I am audible. Hello, good evening. How are you guys? I am back after a long time for editorial, है ना? बीच में we took a little bit of break, है ना? We did little bit of word power made easy. So now what we are going to do is we are going to alternate every week between editorial express and word power made easy. Okay? So the agenda is that you should get both. You should get some vocabulary sessions also, and you should get some editorial session also. So that is the reason that we are going to alternate between vocabulary, that is word power made easy, and editorials for you. Okay, and I have some good news with me that we are launching IP Mart Believers fourth batch, that is 4.0 batch, and there is exclusive discount for toppers in this case, right? Many students whose JIPMAT didn't go according to their way, or Indore didn't go according to their way, and they do want to give it one more chance, right? And it's definitely worth the risk, है ना? So जिन भी लोगों को और एक चांस चाहिए है, so they can actually take a discount for droppers, है ना? Also, the good news is if you are a repeater, okay, if you were with us before and if you want to enroll it again, then you can do it without books also, because you would already have the books. So without books ki price is 18,500, with books is 21,000. Okay, also it's a comprehensive program. Okay, it's a comprehensive program. If you want everything for comprehensive program and you are a fresher at Rodha, the price would be 26,499. Okay, and there are a lot of features. Just give me just 5 minutes and I will explain all the features to you. First is, we do have Rodha after class. It's a very important feature. Okay, we have Rodha after class, that is one on one mentorship program है ना? We get together with the students, we sit together, me and Sanjit sir, and we do ask them how is their prep going, what is the strategy that they are using, any particular challenges that they are facing, right? So that is one on one mentorship that you get in Rodha after class, correct? Then you have your Rodha Buddy app, which is exclusive doubt solving app. Okay, this is our exclusive doubt solving app. You just post your doubt on the app and our mentors will get back to you, correct? Then you have Rodha daily practice. Okay, that is every day you're going to get practice, whether it be for quants, whether it be for LRDA, whether it be for VRC. Daily you're going to get one RC, plus in rotation you're going to get some vocab questions, some grammar questions, some para jumble, para completion. So leave your practice to us. We will ensure that you do have enough practice. So Rodha daily practice will be there. Plus there will be Rodha worksheets also. After every class you're going to get worksheets. Plus, very important feature that we do have is PTMs. We do conduct regular PTMs with the parents of our batch students, those who specially request for PTMs also, because you are at such an impressionable age, है ना? It is very important that your parents do get the clarity that they want, because parents at this stage are very involved in your life, है ना? So we do offer PTMs also for the students whose parents have any doubt and they do need some clarity, correct? Plus you're going to get obviously live classes, है ना? And we are very famous for our live classes because they're very exhaustive. All our live classes are very exhaustive. You're going to get books, you're going to get 250 plus sectionals with video solutions, and those video solutions are recorded by me, Brijesh sir and Sanchit sir. Okay, you're going to get full length 50 plus mocks with video solution again. And अगर आपने हमारे चैनल पे पॉडकास्ट देखे होंगे, if you might have watched the podcast for our toppers and from our successful students, you will know the importance of video solutions in mocks and in sectionals also. So again, you do have GKPI preparation also classes going on, है ना? तो जीके प्रिपरेशन इज ऑल्सो अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप फॉर यू, करेक्ट? जीके प्रिपरेशन होना भी बहुत जरूरी है आपके लिए. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू हैपन, राइट? सो बेसिकली इट्स अ ओवरऑल प्रोग्राम, बहुत सारा पैकेज है इसमें. Plus, we do have our nurtures batch also, you know, who are our 11th standard students, correct? Because getting an early prep, getting an early start is also very important, correct? And this is for nurtures batch. All the offerings are same, correct? All the offerings are same as believers batch 4.0, but the only difference is you're going to be staying with us for 2 years, है ना? So you will have phase wise exposure to topic tests, to our sectionals, and to the mocks also. Again, all the offerings are same. You're going to get after class, one-on-one mentorship, Rodha Buddy app, RDPs, daily RCs, everything. Foundational classes are there. You know, these foundational classes are very important, especially for students who are from non-maths background. We do get this query a lot that, you know, sir or ma'am, you know, we are from non-maths background. What should we do? So Sanchit sir has exclusively started foundation classes. Plus, there will be foundation classes for, you know, VRCs also. Okay. Plus, obviously, you're going to have regular PTMs. Now, the classes are going to start from 7th of August for nurtures as well as for believers batch. Also, the classes will start from 7th of August. Okay. This is the QR code for our Telegram channel. If you want PDFs of these editorial analysis also, you can just join the Telegram channel. Hi Darsh, good evening. Hello. Also, we do have Rodha free course, है ना? So you will get all the PDFs of the sessions on this Rodha free course also. हम जो भी marathons लेते हैं, अगर आपको उसके PDFs चाहिए होंगे, so you will obviously get it on Rodha's free course. Okay? चलो, let's start. This is the Hindu editorial that I have taken. Okay? I have kept the title also as it is. The title is Political Minefields on the new Prime Minister of the United Kingdom. Okay? अब देखो, Andy Burnham, obviously he is the Prime Minister of UK, correct? Cannot deliver for the UK if he remains in survival mode. So this is, you know, the main point of this article, that if he remains in the survival mode, he cannot deliver. Okay? He cannot perform. Okay, so I've just kept the date also as it is. अगर आपको refer करना होगा original article, तो you can refer it. Okay. Now let's see this. Andy Burnham, the former mayor of Greater Manchester and the new Prime Minister of the UK, has picked a challenging time to enter office. Now, you know, from the first line itself, author has made his stance very clear. कि भाई, the time that Andy Burnham has, you know, entered the office is a challenging time. He has picked a challenging time to enter the office. Now see here, this is a very beautiful mix of sentence. Why I will tell you, because this part, 2 commas, I always tell you that in a long sentence, if there are 2 commas, the part between the 2 commas is optional. It is extra information. Now read the sentence without this part. Andy Burnham, put this in bracket, okay, has picked a challenging time to enter office. Now see why I am saying it's a very beautiful sentence, because this particular line is an opinion, right? This particular line is an opinion of the author. Okay, whereas this bracketed part, the former mayor of Greater Manchester and the new Prime Minister, this part is a fact. Correct? This part is a fact. है ना? So एक ही sentence में some part is a fact, whereas some part is opinion. Now how is it possible? Because obviously we have picked an extra information tab here. Okay, there is an extra information tab here. Now see, the revolving doors at 10 Downing Street appear to be spinning off their hinges. See, the author is using comparison here, okay? So what he's saying, you know, the revolving doors at 10 Downing Street. So 10 Downing Street is the address where their Prime Minister lives, okay? It is saying, this line is saying that, you know, there are revolving doors, means you can enter the revolving doors. You see, you enter and the door revolves, correct? So the revolving doors, no, they are spinning continuously. Imagine the scenario. They are spinning continuously off their hinges. means the hinges are not proper. Okay, so what the author is trying to tell us by this line, what the author is trying to tell, can someone guess and tell me? गेस करो और मुझे बताने की कोशिश करो कि द रिवॉल्विंग डोर्स एट 10 डाउनिंग स्ट्रीट appear to be spinning off their hinges का मीनिंग क्या हो सकता है according to author? Please try to tell me. He will be the 7th prime minister in just over a decade and the 5th in 4 years. अब देखो फिर से this particular line, right? This is again a fact. Whereas this particular line is again an opinion, right? This particular line is again an opinion. Now, what can be the meaning of this? Why is the author saying this, that, the revolving doors appear to be spinning off their hinges? Means people are continuously entering, isn't it? People are continuously entering, right? Now, why? Why the author is saying that people are continuously entering? Because he will be the 7th prime minister in a decade. 10 years में 7 प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स हो गए उनके, और 4 साल में 5वें, 5th in the 4 years, right? So he is saying that people are continuously entering. So who are people here? People are the different prime ministers. Yes, किसी का भी टेन्योर पूरा नहीं हो रहा है. वेरी गुड दर्श, राइट. किसी का भी टेन्योर पूरा नहीं हो रहा है. करेक्ट. Nevertheless, he has promised a fresh start and an economic and social revival. But Andy Burnham has promised us that he is going to give us a fresh start and an economic and social revival also. Okay. Now, to truly set himself apart from the fumbling approach of his predecessor, Keir Starmer, he might have to spearhead a radical change in governance and be willing to redefine the traditional Labour Party framework to tackle the spiraling crisis of cost of living, fraying global alliances, disagreements on immigration policy, and the fiscal pressures of an aging population. यार see here, यहां से ये सेंटेंस स्टार्ट हो रहा है, यहां तक गया है ये सेंटेंस. सी here to here 5-6 lines का एक ही सेंटेंस है. Now we need to break it down. Correct? We need to break it down, otherwise हमें नहीं समझेगा ये. Let's break it down. To truly set himself apart from fumbling approach. Now, what do you mean by fumbling approach? Fumbling approach का क्या meaning होता है? Fumble करना मतलब क्या होता है? Fumble करना means you are handling something clumsily. Correct? You are handling something clumsily. So can I just say being clumsy? Right? I can say this, being clumsy. So, if he wants to not stable, right, Darsh? Very good. Not stable. Correct. So, if he wants to show that he is different from Keir Starmer, apart from the clumsy approach of Keir Starmer, he needs to do something. Okay. Now, what he needs to do? So, till here, first part. Now, what he needs to do? He might have to spearhead a radical change in governance. Okay. Now, spearhead. What do you mean by spearhead? What do you mean by spearhead? Lead, or can I just say organize an initiative? Right? Leader, correct. Spearhead is lead or organize an initiative. Very good, Dash. It's a verb. ठीक है, it's a verb. Okay. So अब देखो, he needs to be a leader. He needs to lead a change, a radical change in governance. अब radical का मतलब क्या होता है? Radical is something which is very significant. Correct? He needs to undertake a very significant challenge. Correct? Change also and challenge also in governance. And अब ये हो गया second part. This was your second part. अब third part देखो यहाँ से start हो रहा है. And be willing to redefine the traditional Labour Party framework. So Labour Party framework has a tradition, and he needs to, redefine the traditional approach. Labour Party has a particular approach of governance, but Andy Burnham needs to redefine that approach. Now, why does he need to do that? Because he needs to do it to, manage the crises that are going on. Now, what are the crises that are going on? See, first crisis is cost of living. Second crisis is fraying global alliances. Third is disagreement on immigration policy. And fourth is the fiscal pressures of aging population. Fiscal pressure means economic pressure. If the population is aging, they are not, they are not producing any income. Correct? Sort of they are a liability then. है ना? आपको उन पे पैसा खर्चा करना पड़ेगा. They are not going to give you any income. है ना? So obviously aging population is going to create a financial pressure on the government. Yes, I am coming to that. Fraying पे मैं आ रही हूँ. I am coming to that, दर्श. Fraying का मतलब होता है, just let me erase something here. मैं ये erase करके यहाँ पे लिख रही हूँ, ठीक है? फ्रेइंग का मतलब होता है समथिंग दैट इज डैमेज्ड, बिकमिंग डैमेज्ड, वीकेंड और अनस्टेबल. ओके, टू बिकम डैमेज्ड, weakened or unstable is called as fraying. Okay, is called as fraying. So fraying global alliances, that Jeffrey Epstein wala part jo tha, that is why because of the Jeffrey Epstein part, their alliances were little bit weakened, their alliances were damaged. Got it? So their alliances were weakened. There are disagreements on immigration policy, cost of living. UK is one of the most expensive places to live, right? So cost of living is rising, and obviously economic pressure of aging population. Now, he might learn from Mr. Seymour's missteps, who won Labour a resounding victory. Resounding का मतलब क्या होता है? Very significant, right? What can this mean? This means a very significant victory in 2024 with just 34% of the popular vote. Now see, Keir Starmer was also from Labour Party, correct? And he got a very significant victory in 2024, correct? But according to author, see what is author's opinion here? This is very important. Okay? What is author's opinion here? That Starmer, okay, Starmer, can I just say like this, that was not on proper track, isn't it? That is the reason he is saying missteps, isn't it? This is a very important word. He might learn from Mr. Starmer's missteps. Means Starmer was not on proper track. This is author's opinion. Author feels that Mr. Starmer was not on the right track, and Andy Burnham should learn from Keir Starmer's mistakes. Correct? He shouldn't just repeat those mistakes. It was, however, a loveless landslide, according to some analysts, and had more to do with deep disenchantment. Okay, what is the meaning of disenchantment? I'm going to write it down here. Okay, the meaning of disenchantment का मतलब होता है disappointing feeling, है ना? Feeling disappointed. Correct? So feeling disappointed because your expectations were not fulfilled, right? Because your expectations were not fulfilled, right? So it was, what is it here? The victory. Okay, the victory, that is the 34% popular vote that he got, that victory was loveless landslide. Now what, see the choice of words, Please note the choice of words. Loveless landslide. Loveless means what? And landslide is what? Landslide is normally used to denote victory, right? जब बहुत ज्यादा मार्जिन से जीत के आता है कोई, तो उसके लिए हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? लैंडस्लाइड विक्ट्री बोलते हैं हम लोग, है ना? सो वी से लैंडस्लाइड विक्ट्री. बट यार यहाँ पे जो लैंडस्लाइड विक्ट्री थी ना, वो लवलेस थी. लवलेस थी मतलब यार लोगों के पास कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं होगा, इसीलिए लोगों ने वोट दे दिया होगा. सो मिस्टर स्ट्रेमर डिड नॉट गेट वोट्स बिकॉज ही वॉज गुड. Mr. Stramer might have gotten the votes because there was no other option. Right? So that is why author is saying that the victory was a loveless landslide, according to some analysts. So author is not saying this on his own. He's quoting some analysts here. Okay. And have more to do with deep feeling of disappointment with the previous conservative governments for losing their grip on macroeconomic policy management. So that victory had more to do with disappointment with previous administration. मतलब पिछले वाले लोग इतने खराब थे, कंजर्वेटिव गवर्नमेंट से लोग इतने ज्यादा डिसअपॉइंटेड थे कि फिर उन्होंने स्ट्रेमर को वोट दे दिए. ओके, सो व्हाट द ऑथर इज ट्राइंग टू टेल यू हियर इज Mr. Stramer won not because he was good, but because people were very disappointed with the previous conservative government. Got it? And why were they disappointed? This was the reason. Macroeconomic policy management. Conservative government entirely lost their control on the macroeconomic policy management. That was the reason people were deeply disappointed and they voted Mr. Stramer. Okay? Although Mr. Stramer at the time vowed. What do you mean by vow? Vow का meaning क्या होता है? Made a serious or firm promise. Okay? Made a serious or firm promise. Okay, so although Mr. Stramer at that time, he firmly promised to restore the respect to politics. Sad, no, not sad. दर्श नहीं, sad नहीं बोल सकते हम लोग. वाव लेना मतलब like हिंदी में आपको पता है प्रण लेना. We call it as हिंदी में प्रण लेना, है ना? I don't know if you have heard it or not, but वो जो होता है ना कि वचन देना, प्रण लेना, that is called as vow. ठीक है? So he vowed, Mr. Stramer at that time, he vowed that he is going to restore the respect of politics. A mini scandal over government officials accepting gifts, a policy furor, और एक नया word है. I'm just going to remove this part and write it down here. Okay? Okay, so there was furor. Now what is the meaning of this? A strong public reaction involving anger, excitement or controversy. Okay, so I can say like this, that a strong public reaction, okay, involving anger or controversy. Okay, so there was a strong public reaction, strong public furor, policy furor over botched plans to cut welfare spending, and an error of judgment in appointing Peter Mandelson, discredited by his association, and convicted sex offender Jeffrey Epstein as UK ambassador to the US, led to Mr. Stramer's ousting by his party. यार मिस्टर स्ट्रेमर क्यों नहीं टिके? Why did he not continue? तो क्या क्या हुआ देखो. पहली चीज तो ये हुआ भाई, a scandal over government officials accepting gift. So sort of bribery का चार्ज हो गया ये तो, है ना? ये क्या हो गया? ब्राइबरी का चार्ज हो गया. So there was a mini scandal, correct? Then second thing, there was a lot of, policy anger, strong public reaction over botched. Botched का मतलब क्या होता है? Spoiled. Spoiled plans. Okay, spoiled plans to cut, welfare spending. मतलब उनको जो वेलफेयर स्पेंडिंग था वो कट करना था, बट कट करने का जो प्लान था ना उनका, वो पूरा स्पॉइल हो गया. ठीक है. अब थर्ड क्या है? एरर ऑफ जजमेंट इन अपॉइंटिंग पीटर मेंडलसन डिस्क्रेडिटेड बाय हिज एसोसिएशन with convicted sex offender Jeffrey Epstein as UK ambassador to US. Now see, Peter Mandelson was discredited because he was associated with Jeffrey Epstein. Okay, and Peter Mandelson was ambassador to the US from UK. Got it? So Peter Mandelson was UK ambassador and he was associated with Jeffrey Epstein, and that was his appointment was a huge mistake. So third, all these three things led to Mr. Stramer's ousting. Now what do you mean by ousting? Ousting का मतलब होता है removing someone from his position of power. सर उसी की पार्टी ने उसको निकाल दिया. फिर all these three things हो गए. That is scandal हो गया for bribery, then policy, controversy about welfare spending, and error of appointing Peter Mandelson. Because of all these three errors, his own party removed him from the position of power. Okay. Now, to avoid continuing this cycle of leaders who appear to be unable to govern what appears to be an increasingly ungovernable polity after Brexit, and a weary public that is looking for new model of governance to stabilize their embattled nation amidst political storms, Mr. Burnham will need to quickly implement reforms while tamping down on infighting and factionalism within Labour. एक ही सेंटेंस है, इतना बड़ा एक ही सेंटेंस है, खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है ये सेंटेंस, राइट? खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है सेंटेंस. चलो मैं एक एक मीनिंग पहले लिख देती हूँ आपके लिए. ठीक है. एम्बैटल्ड, फर्स्ट वर्ड क्या है? एम्बैटल्ड. ओके. अब व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एम्बैटल्ड? एम्बैटल्ड मतलब फेसिंग स्ट्रॉन्ग क्रिटिसिज्म, opposition or serious difficulties. So can I just say like this, that facing strong criticism or opposition. ठीक है. That is the meaning of embattled. करेक्ट. और एक है कि इनफाइटिंग, है ना, और एक है इनफाइटिंग. Infighting. Guys, you have to write these meanings down, okay? You need to write them down. Arguments or conflicts. Okay, arguments or conflicts. कहाँ पे? सेम ग्रुप के मेंबर्स में, है ना? Among the members of the same group. That is important. Among the members of same group, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है. मतलब आप खुद ही में झगड़ा कर रहे हो, कंजर्वेटिव पार्टी के अंदर ही झगड़े हो रहे हैं. दैट इज इनफाइटिंग. करेक्ट. अब आते हैं फैक्शनलिज्म पे. व्हाट इज फैक्शनलिज्म? फैक्शनलिज्म का मतलब होता है डिविजन विद इन अ ग्रुप इनटू स्मॉलर राइवल ग्रुप्स. ठीक है. मतलब उसी के इसमें ग्रुप्स बनते हैं. ठीक है. डिविजन विद इन अ ग्रुप into rival smaller groups. Okay. योर इंटरनेट इज स्लो, इट्स ओके, जितना चल रहा है उतना चलाओ दर्श, बाकी आप लिख लो. जस्ट मेक श्योर यू राइट इट डाउन. इफ यू आर वॉचिंग द रिकॉर्डिंग ऑल्सो आफ्टर दैट, just pause it and then write these meanings down. Okay, writing is very important. Embattled in fighting factionalism. Okay, ठीक है, factionalism. Okay, these are the meanings that you need to write it down. अब ये तो हो गए वोकैब सेक्शन, करेक्ट. अब आते हैं सेंटेंस पे. सेंटेंस को ब्रेक डाउन भी तो करना पड़ेगा. वी नीड टू ब्रेक डाउन द सेंटेंस ऑल्सो टू अवॉइड कंटिन्यूइंग दिस साइकिल ऑफ लीडर्स हु अपीयर टू बी. यार ये जो साइकिल ऑफ लीडर्स चलती आ रही है ना, कायर स्ट्रीमर, उसके पहले के कुछ लोग, दिस साइकिल इज गोइंग ऑन दैट दीज लीडर्स आर अनेबल टू गवर्न देयर कंट्री, है ना. दे आर अनेबल टू गवर्न द ungovernable politics after Brexit. All these problems have been traced back to Brexit, correct? So Brexit के तब से ये सारे problems आ रहे हैं यार. And weary, what do you mean by weary? What do you mean by weary? Weary is exhausted, tired. The public is tired. That why do they are looking for a new government. They are looking for a new model of governance that is going to stable their nation, because their nation has been facing criticism. Stabilize their embattled nation, stabilize their nation who is inviting criticism and opposition amidst political storms, correct. Mr. Burnham will need to quickly implement the reforms while tamping down. Tamping down मतलब slow करना, down करना, correct? Reducing. Tamping down means reducing. On the, यार खुद ही के पार्टी में झगड़े करना बंद करो. Reducing the fighting between their own party and creation of smaller rival groups, that is factionalism within Labour Party. So Labour Party में क्या चल रहा है? Labour Party में चल रहा है factionalism और infighting. They are fighting amongst themselves and they have created small rival groups among themselves. Okay, this is the meaning. Okay, let's go ahead. He has little room to maneuver. What do you mean by maneuver? Maneuver is a planned or skillful action. Okay, planned or skillful action intended to achieve something. Okay, intended to achieve something. No, आप जो बोल रहे हो ना, टू रिड्यूस द इंटेंसिटी ऑफ समथिंग, दैट इज टैंपिंग डाउन. अगर आप बोल रहे हो तो देन राइट. दर्श, आर यू टॉकिंग अबाउट टैंपिंग डाउन? इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट टैंपिंग डाउन, देन इट इज करेक्ट. ओके, अगर आप टैंपिंग डाउन की बात कर रहे हो तो देन इट इज फाइन. ठीक है. सो अब देखो कि what he is saying, that he means who? Andy Burnham. Andy Burnham, he has very little space, very little room to make a planned or skillful action on public revenue, given his party's promise not to raise taxes. यार उसकी पार्टी ने तो प्रॉमिस कर दिया कि हम लोग टैक्सेस नहीं बढ़ाएंगे. तो टैक्सेस नहीं बढ़ाएंगे तो पैसे कहां से आएंगे गवर्नमेंट के पास? So he has very little wiggle room there. Okay, he has very little wiggle room there. Yet, he will have to find innovative ways to cut the UK's welfare bill and entitlements. He will have to be very clever about cutting their welfare bill and their entitlements also, right? That is kharcha kam karna hai, in short. Similarly, he cannot abandon European allies in their support for Ukraine against Russian depredations. मैं डिप्रेडेशंस भी लिख रही हूँ, प्रेडेशन। ओके, डिप्रेडेशन का मतलब क्या होता है? डिप्रेडेशन मीन्स जो अटैक्स चल रहे हैं ना, करेक्ट, दोज डिस्ट्रक्टिव अटैक्स, डैमेज और एक्ट्स ऑफ प्लंडरिंग, एक्ट्स ऑफ लूटिंग, दोज आर कॉल्ड एज depredations. Okay, destructive attacks, damage or acts of plundering. Okay, acts of plundering. So he cannot abandon the European friends because he needs to support Ukraine against Russian invasion, against Russian destructive attacks on its soil. Yet he will have to act quickly to mend fences with the Donald Trump administration to prevent further breakdown in the special relationship. देखो, ऑथर ने ना स्पेशल रिलेशनशिप को कोट में डाला है. क्यों? क्योंकि उनकी जो स्पेशल रिलेशनशिप है ना, दैट वाज सम सॉर्ट टू सम एक्सटेंट डैमेज्ड बिकॉज ऑफ पीटर मेंडलसन, अपॉइंटेड एम्बेसडर, एंड हिज रिलेशंस विद कन्विक्टेड जेफरी एप्स्टेन. इसीलिए ऑथर क्या बोल रहा है? देखो, स्पेशल रिलेशनशिप बोल रहा है ऑथर, है ना. So he cannot abandon European allies in support of the Ukraine against Russian attack. But he will have to act very quickly if he wants to mend fences with Donald Trump administration. Mend fences means, recover the lost relationship, recover the lost friendship, correct? On immigration. Net migration to the UK is said to be down compared to previous years. Yet, the thirst for even tighter immigration policies in some quarters is being contested by some Labour MPs and progressive leaders who are seeking a compromise approach. Now, next problem that he needs to address is immigration policies. No, it's not an idiom. No, it's not an idiom. No, he's just using it to give it a sarcastic effect. Okay, he's just using it to give it a sarcastic effect. Okay, and on immigration, what he needs to do is, now the immigration rules are tighter as compared to previous quarters or as compared to previous rules. But some Labour members of parliament, MPs, member of parliament, and some progressive leaders who are still debating, contested का मतलब क्या होता है? Debated होता है, correct? Who are still, they are debating on tighter immigration policies, correct? So उनको Andy Burnham has to deal with this also. He will have to step nimbly. निम्बली का मतलब क्या होता है अभी? What is nimbly? निम्बली मतलब सुनो, बहुत flexible, quickly, lightly, skillfully. Okay? Quickly, lightly or flexibly. Okay, flexibly. ठीक है? तो he will have to tread lightly, he will have to step very skillfully across the many political minefields. यार, ये सारे political minefield है ना. See, welfare bill, entitlement, यूक्रेन वाला मुद्दा, डोनाल्ड ट्रंप वाला मुद्दा, इमिग्रेशन वाला पॉइंट, ये सारे क्या है? दे आर पॉलिटिकल माइनफील्ड्स. मतलब एक भी इशू पे आप स्टेप करोगे, ये झूठ भी अब बूम, राइट? So he will have to step very skillfully, okay, over across all these political minefields in tackling these challenges. Yet remember that history rewards dynamism and fresh thinking rather than leaders stuck in survival modes. अब देखो, ये ना conclusion है हमारा, very important conclusion. ये फिर से क्या है? ऑथर का ओपिनियन भी है और मेरा कंक्लूजन भी है ना. ऑथर क्या बोल रहा है? देखो कि ही हैज टू रिमेंबर दैट हिस्ट्री रिवॉर्ड्स डायनामिज्म. मतलब यू शुड बी डायनामिक, यू शुड बी वॉलेटाइल, यू शुड बी स्पॉन्टेनियस, करेक्ट, एंड फ्रेश थिंकिंग. हिस्ट्री इज नॉट गोइंग टू रिवॉर्ड अ लीडर हु इज स्टक इन सर्वाइवल मोड, मतलब उनको सर्वाइव करना है, बस उनको पीएम बने रहना है. सो इफ ही जस्ट वांट्स टू बी स्टक इन अ सर्वाइवल मोड, then history is not going to help him. Correct? So this is what the author's opinion is about. Now the passage is, it's written in a very beautiful manner. A lot of sarcastic comments are used, and author is, very clearly expressing his opinion about various issues here, and he is being very skillful in the manner in which he is, designing the challenges or giving us the challenges that Andy Burnham has to face. Correct? So please write down your homework. आपका homework क्या है लिखो. Okay? What is your homework? Homework first is the main idea, and second is your tone. Okay? This is your homework. Please note it down. I want you to give me the main idea for this, and I want you to give me 2 words for tone. Okay? 2 tone words for this. Please make sure you mention your homework in the comment section. And we do have a class on Friday on our Believers batch. I will take this homework during that Believers batch. So before coming to Believers batch, please make sure you do this class on YT. Okay? Note down your homework. Main idea for this editorial and tone for this editorial आपको मुझे बताना है. Now I have just made a table for you. ठीक है? I have just made a table for you. ये सारे जो वर्ड्स है मैंने आपको मीनिंग तो समझा दिए हैं, बट सिनोनिम्स, यहाँ पे सिनोनिम्स है, देखो है ना. प्लेज्ड, सोर, अप्रोर, कमोशन, एक्सपल्शन, बिसीज्ड, बिलिगर्ड, है ना. देखो बहुत सारे बहुत अच्छे वर्ड्स है. अड्रॉइटली, अड्रॉइट वर्ड हमने वर्ड पावर मेड इजी के सेशन में करा था, इफ यू रिमेम्बर, है ना. ravages, stratagem, tactic, partisanship, sectarianism, काफी अच्छे अच्छे वर्ड्स है इसमें. ओके, सो प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट यू डू दिस. मैंने मीनिंग्स आपको समझा दिए हैं, मैंने कॉन्टेक्स्ट भी आपको समझा दिया है, बट आई जस्ट वांटेड टू गिव यू सिनोनिम्स ऑल्सो. ठीक है, इसलिए मैंने सिनोनिम्स भी दे दिए आपको. दिस टेबल इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई विल कीप ऑन ब्रिंगिंग मेनी वर्ड्स एज सच. ठीक है, सो ये बहुत सारे वर्ड्स फिर आपके हो जाएंगे. सो प्लीज मेक श्योर यू नोट दिस डाउन. यस दर्श, प्लीज टेल मी व्हाट इज योर डाउट. प्लीज टेल मी. Please write it down. I will wait. Adroit? No, no, no. Adroit is skillful. You are telling me opposite. Adroit is skillful. Adroit is skillful. Okay, Darsh? See, deftly is also skillfully because. Was this your doubt, Darsh? यही doubt था आपको? पायनीर के कितने मीनिंग्स है? पायनीर यहाँ पे कहा, अच्छा ये वाला पायनीर. सी, पायनीर देखो, ये जो मीनिंग्स है, ये जो सिनोनिम्स है, दीज आर ब्रॉड कॉन्टेक्स्ट. ओके, ऑल दीज जो वर्ड्स है ये सारे, ठीक है, ये जो सारे वर्ड्स है ये सारे ब्रॉड कॉन्टेक्स्ट है. ओके, पायनीर मतलब एक ऐसी एक्टिविटी करना जो पहले कभी किसी ने नहीं की है. ठीक है, सो पायनीर. अब चैंपियन, अब चैंपियन जो है ना, चैंपियन का यार एक मीनिंग तो सपोर्टर भी होता है ना. सो सपोर्टर भी हो सकता है, लीडर भी हो सकता है, पायनीर भी हो सकता है, स्पीयर हेड भी हो सकता है. ठीक है, सो पायनीर का एक और मीनिंग जो है कि पायनीर इन दिस फील्ड, मतलब ऐसा काम कर रहे हो आप जो पहले कभी किसी ने नहीं किया होगा. सो यू आर द पर्सन हु इज लीडिंग समथिंग दैट हैजंट बीन डन बिफोर. ओके, तो ये भी एक मीनिंग हो सकता है पायनीर का. गॉट इट दर्श? यूनिक एक्टिविटी, हाँ आद्या, आप यूनिक एक्टिविटी भी बोल सकते हो. है ना, आप यूनिक एक्टिविटी भी बोल सकते हो. देखो अभी आद्या, आई एक्सप्लेन यू. इफ somehow Andy Burnham is able to evade all those political minefields and somehow solve all the problems of UK or majority of the problems of UK, he could be called as a pioneer because none of his predecessors were able to do that. Correct? None of his predecessors were able to do that. So he was a pioneer in, evading the political minefields. Right? So what can I say? He was a pioneer in evading all the political minefields. Right? So in that case, I can use pioneer then. Got it? So remember, all these are broad context meanings, है ना? These words can be used in a different context also. एक ही इसका context होगा ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. ठीक है? आप सबने होमवर्क नोट किया आपका? प्लीज नोट द होमवर्क बिकॉज मैं आपको पोर्टल के बैच में पूछूंगी. ठीक है? सो प्लीज मेक श्योर यू नोट द होमवर्क, मेन आइडिया एंड टोन, एंड आई वांट 2 वर्ड्स एंड आई डू नॉट वांट जेनेरिक वर्ड्स. मुझे जेनेरिक वर्ड्स नहीं चाहिए. अच्छे से रिसर्च करो, अच्छे से मुझे 2 वर्ड्स लेके आओ जो बहुत ही एप्ट होंगे फॉर दिस काइंड ऑफ एडिटोरियल. आई डू नॉट वांट एनी जेनेरिक वर्ड्स नाउ. ठीक है? गॉट इट? ओके गाइज, दिस इज इट. एंड अगेन, आपके अगर कोई फ्रेंड्स होंगे जिनको बिलीवर्स बैच ज्वाइन करनी है या फिर नर्चर्स बैच भी ज्वाइन करनी है, हमारे क्लासेस 7th of August से स्टार्ट होने वाले हैं. Please make sure that you remember this. We are starting the classes from 7th of August. Okay, these are the QR codes for our free course, for our Telegram channel and for our WhatsApp. We are present, that is Sanchit sir, me and Brijesh sir are there in the WhatsApp group. So if you have any problems, you can connect with us. Okay. Okay guys, this is it for today. Thank you so much. Next Monday, I will be back with word power made easy. Okay.